Alright, this is the elevator at 850 or 950. I can't remember which one, and that screw there is weird. It used to be a key switch, I guess. And this is it's Harvard Park, one of the medical buildings at Porter Hospital. Code 5. Had their lights replaced. Here we are on 5th floor. Buttons went out. Nothing much up here. Let's ring the bells down. No bell, but it lights up. Let's look at the cab interior. Uh-oh. My foot's not large enough to block the door. I'm holding like a bunch of things too, so this is kind of awkward. Sorry if this video looks bad. Good picture of the fixtures there. I didn't know this building was actually 5 floors. I figured it was only like 3. But apparently it's actually pretty tall. We'll go to 2 because that's where I need to cross over to get back to the building that I belong in. The main hospital. Through a complicated venture of overpasses and underpasses. That's it.